Dearest Bobcats, we're contacting you today via the Sage to inform you about a very serious topic. How to be single on Valentine's Day.
As they say, love is in the air, but if you just so happen to be single on this holiday of love, the smell might just start to get to you.
Lucky for you guys, we're here to help you get through this tough time.
Welcome to the Sage's Guide for Singles. Now let's say your friend has a partner and you obviously don't. The best way to experience that lovey-dovey date feeling without a partner is to 1.
You gotta figure out where they're going.
2. Disguise yourself.
And 3, you gotta stalk them from afar so that you can live vicariously through them.
You're doing great, guys!
Yeah, you guys are just doing a fantastic job. Yeah.
Or you can just enjoy drowning your sorrows in ice cream while sitting alone listening to sad music in your car. It's okay, buddy. Try it out.
I'm so alone!
It's okay.
Why me?
We interrupt this previously scheduled program to bring you a commercial for couples.
Do you and your significant other need an idea for what to do on Valentine's Day? Well, boy, have we got something for you.
Pause this video right now to screenshot 30 ideas you could use.
That's a good one. Anyways, you couples don't really need our help. You kind of got it all figured out. Singles, we're coming back at you. Now we know everyone loves Netflix, but singles, today, Netflix is going to be your best friend.
Grab your favorite foods, drinks, and your comfiest blankets and make a blanket bunker that will last you all the way through Valentine's Day.
Turn off those lights and watch Netflix to your heart's desires.
It'll help with the loneliness.
Now forget buying candy for someone else on Valentine's Day. Buy candy for yourself the day after. It's all half price anyways.
Couples are welcome to buy this candy too, but please don't. That's just for us.
In all seriousness, Valentine's Day is just one more day out of the year, and we're pretty sure you guys can survive it.
I mean, you never know. As they say, love just might come out of nowhere. This has been Isabella, Eiler, and Brady, Caskey reporting for the Sage. Now back to the anchors.